Hey guys, wanted to go over a trade I had on the SPY today. Hopefully you guys had a good trade day today. Wanted to review a couple of trades I had on the SPY. Um, so I guess looking at the bigger picture, going into today, you can see we had bearish divergence um, the previous several days, and then we had that nice bounce on Friday. Showed some strength. You can see we had some bullish divergence going into the week. So I was looking for possibly a push up since we had closed above um, this 21-day moving average on the daily chart for the SPY, and I was looking for a push up here. But it's pretty much we had kind of a bit of an inside day today on the SPY. So going into the trade here, you can see. So here is my plan, and I'll actually zoom this out a bit. So going into the day, pre-market high, we had the SPY was 392.94, and then we had a pre-market low of around 388.30. So I was looking for a break, either down past the 388.30 or break above that 392.94 for some continued strength into today. But you can see we essentially just kind of bounced around through those levels throughout the day today. But there were still some decent trades here that you could have taken throughout the day. So going into the day, I took two trades today. Ended up green on the day, but I'll review my trades. First trade I took was for a loss, very small loss, but this is on a 5 minute chart, and I've got the 1 minute chart below to show my entry. So I entered here around 12:01 p.m. So entry was here. I was looking for the SPY to actually hold that 9 EMA, and so I entered around here, and then you can see I exited as we were breaking back up through that 9 EMA on the 5 minute chart. And then my next trade was at 12:55 p.m. So not too much longer later. But you can see reason for my entry. We were below VWAP. The 21 was above the 9 EMA, and we were holding that 9 EMA here. So I entered here. This actually was a red bar, so I was expecting a move down lower. Essentially, I entered here. You can see we were basing here, so I was expecting us to move back down towards that 387 level. But as we popped back above it, I ended up exiting for a small loss. Now, on my next trade at 12:55, you can see I entered here, right at that 9 EMA, expecting a move to go lower. Now, if we zoom out here, you can see where I entered at, we were below VWAP, so that was good, below the 21 and the 9, so that was good. We were in a squeeze, but we had some buying pressure, so not the greatest setup, but that was the only thing that looked a bit shaky, was we just had buying pressure instead of selling pressure. But the reason why I took the trade was because we were holding at 9 EMA, and I still was expecting a quick move back down towards that 387 level, which you can see we got that move down towards that 387 level with some increased volume. So this trade right here was for, I think, like a 10% loss, because I had entered essentially right here and then got out right above the break. This move was about 112% return just off these two bars. So I entered here, and then I exited right around that 387 level for about 112% return on that quick trade. Now, the reason why I exited, as you can see, we started basing at that 387.37 level. We came down, And if you looked at the Qs, you can see the Qs is already down to that support level. So that's why we kind of bounced around there for the rest of the day. So with that being said, that's kind of my trade review. Hopefully that did make some sense. Hopefully you did trade well, you mitigated risk, and you grew your account. We'll see what the rest of the week brings. I know we've got a decent amount of meetings and scheduling for coming up this week, so we'll see how things shake out. Once again, if you do like the content, if you have any questions or concerns, please hit your boy up. If you like the content, please subscribe, smash that like button. Definitely want to grow the channel, and we'll go from there. And I will talk with you guys later.